Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the controls menu on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch, and to do it we need to press and hold the light button. Keep holding the button until the menu appears on the screen. And here we have the controls menu. We have different shortcuts for different functions on the watch, and we can edit it in a couple of ways. We can add more shortcuts, we can remove shortcuts, and we can reorder them on the list. To do it, first we need to open the menu by pressing and holding the up button, and once the controls menu is open, so make sure the controls menu is opened and then press and hold the up button. And here we have three options, like I said: add controls, reorder controls, and remove controls. To add the control, the shortcut, tap on add controls. Look for something you want to add, for example battery saver, tap on it, you will see the message control added, and if you go back to the controls menu, the icon should be added to the menu, as you can see. And we can also reorder the icon, so if you press and hold the up button, select reorder. Let's say I want to move the battery saver right behind the power icon. We need to select the icon we want to move, press start, then move the icon, and then press start again to apply it. And now the icon is right behind the power icon, and we can go back and it should be applied, as you can see. And the last option is to remove the icon. So if you press and hold the up button, select remove, select the icon you want to remove, and then press start button to confirm, and then you can go back and the icon should be gone. You can also do this through the settings. So if you go back to the home screen, to the watch face, press and hold the up button to open the menu, then scroll down and look for appearance option, tap on it, select controls, tap on it, and here we have list of controls icons. And we can scroll down, tap on add new, select the icon we want to add, tap on it, and it will be added. If you want to remove icons on this list, you need to select the icon you want to remove. I believe we need to press the start button, and then we can tap on remove to remove it. And if you want to reorder the icons, select the icon you want to move through the list, press start, select reorder, and then move it to the place you want it to be, and press start to confirm. Okay, and if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. Tap on more, scroll down, tap on the Garmin devices, select your Forerunner 965, find the option called appearance, tap on it, tap on controls, and here we have the list. And if you want to add the control, find the control you want to add, tap on the plus button next to it, like this. If you want to remove the control, let's say we want to remove the wallet, tap on the minus icon next to it, like that. And if you want to reorder them, you need to find the icon you want to move, press and hold on the sorting button next to it, and then move it to the place you want it to be, and release it. And once you're done, sync the devices together by tapping on this icon, and once it's done syncing, the settings should be applied. So if we open the menu, the icon is here, and it displayed right behind the phone, the place I moved it before. Okay, and that's how you edit or customize the controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.